So tapos na po ang first round ng ating debate. Ready na po ba kayo? Handa na po ba kayo para sa ating second round?
I think they are already at napakaganda ng ating mga narinig sa ating mga candidates ngayong hapong ito for, of course, the mayoralty and the vice mayoralty positions. Ito, yung napanood po natin kanina, patikim pa po lang yun dahil sa round 2, mas makikilala pa po natin ang ating mga kandidato based on the questions that we have coming from you, of course.
So ladies and gentlemen, for the round 2 of the debate, we will be asking one question each to the candidates. The questions from this round are derived from prevailing queries of San Carlos City netizens. Questions for all 3 mayoral bets will come first, followed immediately by all 3 vice mayoral candidates.
So ito po mga katanungang ito ay nakuha po natin sa Facebook, sa Twitter, sa lahat po ng mga tanong na pinadala ng netizens ng San Carlos City ay kinumpile po natin at yan po ang tatanungin natin sa ating 6 na magagaling na kandidato ngayong gabing ito.
Okay, let's start. Unahin po muna natin, Attorney Soriano. Your question is there a chance for a tourism industry to grow in San Carlos City? How are you going to develop such?
Yeah, definitely there is. No, ipagkayod sa my history sa San Carlos na formerly known as Pinalapungan.
Sir, excuse me lang po. So, you have 90 seconds, sir, to answer the question. Medyo hindi pa po ready yung ating timer.